welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. So, after yesterday's video on the Xbox Series X and some of the issues that it's been having came out, I thought it would only be fair to do some digging into the PlayStation 5 and see if people have reported any issues there as well. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that I managed to find. Now, bear in mind, I'm not trying to discourage you guys from getting either the Xbox nor the PS5. Both consoles are brand new, both are likely to have issues, and both Sony and Microsoft will do their best to fix your broken units. With that said, let's get into the video. So, the first major report of a dead PS5 appeared before the PS5 actually launched. On November the 10th, Jeremy Penter from YouTube channel ACG tweeted out that his PS5 is 100% dead. In his case, which is similar to some others, the PS5 kept trying to rebuild storage, which eventually escalated into network and boot issues. Whilst troubleshooting the problems with Sony, the console died and would no longer boot. I also found this person on Reddit who said their PS5 died. In this case, whilst playing No Man's Sky, their game froze. After rebooting the console, it tries to repair the file system, or in other words, rebuild storage, and then it gets stuck on the blue light flashing and a black screen. The person tried everything they could, even trying to do a full system reinstall in safe mode, but to no avail. Then I have this video showing another PS5 refusing to turn on. Nothing happens when the button is pressed, no lights come on, everything seems to be plugged in, and the DualSense controller also cannot turn on the console. Here's another person I found on YouTube. This is from Omni, who seems to have a bricked PS5 after half an hour of playing Astrobot and installing some games.
Here's my dead PS5, guys. Got DualSense plugged in. Got the power and HDMI cables plugged in. Let's turn on, as you can see over there. Excuse the wires. Typical gamer setup. Turn it on, nothing. There is no light or noise at all. Just played Astrobot for half an hour and turned it off, full off, not rest mode. Try the DualSense. Nothing. It's just stone cold dead.
Some people have reported the console getting bricked by putting it into rest mode, but in this case it was a full shutdown, and still the console is bricked. I then found this video clip of a PlayStation 5 that apparently identifies as a beard trimmer. So what can we learn from all of this? Honestly, not much. Sony has yet to comment on any of these issues. It does look like the most common reason for failure on the PS5 is storage related, but as of right now we don't know if it's a major issue or isolated perhaps to a specific batch of units. I've said it before and I'll say it again, new consoles have issues, so by buying one of these new devices on launch day, you are essentially signing up to test out the new consoles for the rest of us, who may or may not buy them at a later stage. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.